Hello, my name is Richard. Welcome to the Tecademia Demo. Let's imagine I've just taught myself machine learning, and I want to show my friends how to learn machine learning as well, from the start to finish, giving them a complete list of resources they can use. On the left, we can see the communities, and I can search for the computer science communities so I can share my experiences with computer science students at Southampton here. And I can do that by first creating a learning pathway. So a learning pathway is essentially a series of links that should theoretically guide a learner from beginner to expert. And I'm going to create one for machine learning. And I'm going to make sure I spell it correctly and press create. And once that's created, we can click into the pathway and we should be able to see that it is empty. And I'm going to want to share, first of all, the machine learning specialization on Coursera. And I'm going to give it a particular title and a description, a good 3-month course. And I'm going to press create or upload. And that's going to add the link to the pathway. So now any learner who's interested in machine learning can search it up and see that the machine learning specialization is a good place to start if they want to teach themselves machine learning. Let's say I also want to add in 3 Blue 1 Brown's introductory video to neural networks. I can give it a title, Intro to Neural Networks, and make sure that's spelled correctly, and a good intro video by 3 Blue 1 Brown, and add the video to the pathway as well. So let's imagine I want to brush up on some linear algebra because my foundations aren't that good. So I can go into the search bar and search linear algebra, and voila, here we can see a linear algebra pathway created by someone else. And when it refreshes, we can see that there are quite a few videos in this pathway that should guide me from a beginner to an expert. And what's interesting is this pathway was created by our automatic pathway generator using a bit of web scraping and GPT 3.5. And in the future, we want to combine links to videos and websites with texts and PDFs, which is also available at the moment, as well as uploading videos to the actual website and quizzes, which can help assess students and see how engaged they are. Thank you.